Sparkz Marketing, your partner in website maintenance. From website updates and management to security and backups, Sparkz Marketing offers a full suite of website maintenance services tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need occasional updates or ongoing support, we've got you covered, including website management, website care, website support, website security, website backups, and more. Our proactive approach to website maintenance means that we stay ahead of potential issues, identifying and addressing them before they impact your site's performance or security. With years of experience in website maintenance and digital marketing, our team of experts has the knowledge and skills to ensure that your website remains optimized, secure, and up-to-date at all times. We understand that every business is unique. That's why we tailor our website maintenance services to fit your goals, budget, and schedule, ensuring that you get the support you need without unnecessary extras. Don't let your website fall victim to neglect. With Sparkz Marketing by your side, you can rest assured that your online presence is in good hands. Contact us today to learn more about our website maintenance services and how we can help your business thrive in the digital age.